Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I just got done filming like a bajillion videos, actually not really, but several videos. And I closed up shop and then I went and look what I got. I got my Allure beauty box for the month of August. So I'm going to open it and I figured, okay, well, we can do one more video here. So here it is, the Allure beauty box for months of August. So let's get to it and see what we got in here. Okay, friends, I have no idea. I wasn't prepared for this, so I'm hoping I can do it justice here. But so I'm opening it up. We've got they do have add-ons now that you can get, but they're only certain things, so I haven't yet been enticed by any of their add-ons, but they do have add-ons. I'm sure I might take advantage of it sometime because that's always nice to get in your box because you can get free shipping if you add a product. So I'm looking in here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I always like to do the products that they let us pick, and it's usually a makeup product and it's usually a color or something like that. So this month was the product is from Tower 28, and this is the Juice Bomb Vegan Tinted Lip Balm. The colors were Drink, Mix, or Squeeze. I think I got the mix. Okay, and this was the more kind of a neutral nudie color. I think they had like a berry color and also kind of one that was almost kind of like looked orangey to me. I didn't really want that. So this one, here's what it looks like, and there's the tip of it. Let's put it on here. So yes, it's very nude. So I actually really like that. I really like that color. It feels very good going on. It just feels like a good balm you can use, you know, every day over and over. This lip product I've had on for several hours. I'm going to see if I can put this over it. It looked like it needed a refresh. I don't know if that color showed up or it was just what was already there, but from putting that on, it feels really good. So anyway, that's our first problem. It looks like we've got some makeup items in this one. Skincare. The second thing I have here is this. This is the Fresh Black Tea Anti-Aging Eye Cream. Now I'm going to tell you on the... this is a full-size product, and the retail value is $16. So anyway, there's that. The next thing, like I said, was I think this one is not a full size, but it's an eye cream. So actually it might be full size. It says $72 for 15 milliliters. So that's a half an ounce. It says tap a little bit onto your under eyes morning and night. Here's that. Its beloved black tea line does not disappoint. Everything about it makes it a joy to use. The pretty pot, the way the cream feels cooling and soothing, and the blend of moisturizing antioxidant ingredients. So I've been seeing more about this black tea stuff, and I am actually really excited to use this. I just got is it right? Is this right here? I've heard great things about this. This is the Instant Perfecting Mask that I got, and these are pricey. These are like over $100. This $72 for an eye cream. So let's see how cute the pot is. So I believe this is a full size. So anyway, that's really exciting. This right here, double pay for the box. So I don't get a scent at all. I'm going to see if I can feel the cooling effects of it. I have a fan on, so I feel that. Yeah, no smell. Anyway, for that price, and I've been seeing more about this brand, I'm kind of liking it, so I will definitely try that. So that is the second item. The third item we have here is, this is from Glow Recipe, which I love, and I don't know if this is a full size. It says mini, so it's Watermelon Glow PHA BHA. It's the toner, pore tight toner, and comes in this pretty bottle like this. It's got, you can see it, but it's got kind of indents into the bottle. It makes it kind of a cute little aesthetic. So I don't think I have. I've used one of their serums kind of like this, but I'm not sure I've had the toner before. So anything Glow Recipe, I'm excited about. I do have a full line of Glow Recipe that I rotate different serums and stuff, but I use Glow Recipe for a while. I think today I have all Glow Recipe on, so my skincare. But anyway, so that's super exciting for me. This anyway, this is great. And so the next thing I have here is Beauty for Certain, and this is a highlighter in pearlescent taupe. Okay, it's probably not one I'm gonna love. I usually like clearer or more lighter colors but this, let's see if this is full size. Just looking at my little thing here. This is $20 for 0.16 ounce, which is what that is. They also have a promo code that you can go for Beauty for Certain. Allure Beauty has given us Beauty for Certain products before. So it's just, it's a creamy highlighter and sparkling champagne. Let's see what we got here. I think it's still like really good. This might take me a minute to get into this. But I definitely want to see what it's about. Okay, so it's not, it's not a powder, so there it is right there on my finger. Let's see. It's not really the color, like they said, this is a pearlescent taupe. Not super excited about this product. Here it is right here. It looks pretty good from that angle. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know. Can you notice the difference? Can you see anything? Anyway, so I do need more highlighters. So this might be okay. I'll give it a try. So anyway, there's that. And then I've got two more things in here. And this, I have an Innisfree. I've been getting into the stuff. This is the Seed Hyaluronic Serum. I think I have another one of these. That I haven't used yet. I put them with my travel stuff, but anyway, there's what it looks like. This is a good product. This is a sample size. I do like some of the Innisfree products we've been seeing. Let's see what it says about it. And so here it is. It is $24 for 150 milliliters, and it's a refreshing and cleansing as a tall iced tea. Each of these K-Beauty formulas help protect skin with antioxidant green tea all summer long. And then the last thing we have in the box is Bloom Buds. These are power patches for acne. This is just a sample. I'm not super, I know people said you use those insect bites and stuff too, but I don't get insect bite really, and I don't really get blemishes, but I did use one this week. I had a blemish and I did use one, but I have so many of these that I don't know if I'll ever go through them all, but this one looks like a new one. I haven't seen it. So it says it's for acne prone skin, not necessarily for me, so I might have to give this to someone. But anyway, that's the last thing, last little sample in here. Once again, we've got in here, we've got the Innisfree. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the box. This is the hyaluronic serum sample size, so we've got that in there. I've got the eye cream. This is the still of the box. This is $72 eye cream. The black tea, been hearing wonderful things about it, so I'm excited about that. So we've got that in there. We've got the Glow Recipe. Never can complain about Glow Recipe product. I love Glow Recipe, so I'm excited about this. I haven't tried this one yet, I don't believe. So anyway, there's that. And we've got the Beauty for Certain highlighter, which I'm on the fence about. Not super excited about this one, but anyway, that's about all I'll say about that. So, and then we got this Tower 28, which I'm very happy with. This lip balm. It's in a nude color, which I really like. So that is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th item. So anyway, there we go. That's what's in the box. So let me know what you guys think of this month's Allure Beauty Box. Is there anything, do you guys get the box? Is there anything in here that would really excite you? Let me know in the comments. And I want to thank you guys for being here, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends? Bye-bye.